The Gerber Lecture Series started in 2001 with a generous gift from David and Lorraine Gerber. And the goal of the fund was to bring in big speakers like this to the University of the Pacific. It's important for our students to hear from people like General Clark because he's leaving the stage and the rest of his generation is leaving the stage. So it's going to be up to a younger generation, current college students and recent graduates, to take the mantle from here.
Well, I think this generation of young people, more than any for the last 3 or 4, is going to define the future of America.
His message was a fairly clear one. He said that we're coming to the end of a 40-year cycle of politics and economics that has gone quite conservative, and we're at an inflection point now. And we're not sure where we're going to go after this. And his message to our students was essentially, this is your opportunity to take the country and move it in the direction that's going to make it a nice place for the rest of us to live the rest of our lives.
There are young people who are born to be musicians. From the time they're kids, they pick up a violin, get on a piano, or perform a dance, and that's their purpose. That's their joy. There are others who have other purposes in life, and there are some who struggle to find that purpose. Finding purpose comes not just from looking inward, it comes mostly from asking, how can you help? Find a way you can contribute to others. That's where you find your purpose.